I'm beauty to everyone, I am the Technomage and welcome to Manganime News. I should have made this video yesterday, but yesterday I was busy most of the day. Busy most of the day, and when I was finally released, I was just too tired to do anything. So let's begin. This will be a very short video. I mean, we are ending the year, are we not? So this week, Ishinose Ke finally gets a numeration. The first of the 4 new series in the Shonen Jump is the first one to get a numeration in number 7. Next one should be Ishigaki, Cypher, and what's the... And Fabricant, yes, Fabricant 100 will be... Cypher Academy next week should have a numeration in the printing order. Now, I'm going to move all the way here because, sorry about that, Ginga and Glüna is still under the top 10 in number 11, which is underserving because last week's chapter was quite good, and in last place at rock bottom of the danger zone, under all the other usual suspects that should have been cancelled months ago, is Tokyo Demon Bride story. Even though finally the author has decided to start the actual plot of the story, finally the story is moving finally, and we have had a villain that was defeated after 2-3 chapters, and it was taken seriously, and the villain was not defeated in a comical way. Finally, the author is taking his own story seriously, and the plot is moving. Finally! But is it too late? Is it too late for Tokyo Demon Bride story to get over the top 10? And Ginga and Ryuna, please don't cancel Ginga and Ryuna too soon. Please give it a chance. So anyway, Bleach 1000 Year Blood War Arc TV anime second cour preview revealed. So this is something that it has been going on for a couple of years now, that TV anime series seasons are cut in half. You get one half of the season at one date, and months later you have the second half of the season, because the second cour of Bleach 1000 Year Blood War Arc will be broadcast in July of next year. That's 6 months away. Why are they doing that? And let's see what we have. I don't even like Bleach, so I'm just going to skip around this. I mean, I don't. As I stated many times before, I'm not even a Bleach fan. But anyway, this is a strange trend in the Japanese anime industry of presenting one season in 2 halves instead of making season 1, season 2. I mean, it just happened with Spy Family. Spy Family just now is this last week finished the second part of season 1, and we will have next year season 2 and an original anime film. Now moving on, Chainsaw Man has announced a stage play adaptation titled Chainsaw Man The Stage. The show will be at theaters during September and October in 2023. So, now this is just announced. In the next few months, maybe in 3 or 4 months forward in 2023, we will have photographs of the actors in costume. Let's hope that Jason Man's costume design and makeup artists are like the ones for the Hunter x Hunter stage play and not the Yu Yu Hakusho stage play. Now, Nier Automata version 1.1a unveils additional stuff and new promotion. Now, stuff is just about the production. Is the production team, because we already know who the voice actors will be for this anime adaptation of the game. It will be the same voice actors from the game. And we have a new... I should have done this before. I'm going to skip through this as well. I remember this part of the game. And the famous scene where 2B takes off her first weapon, the katana. Wait, there's the... Nier Automata version 1.1 2023年1月 Let's go with Nier Automata version 1.1 2023 Nier Automata version 1.1 2023年1月放送開始 Well, これは呪いかそれとも罰か When was this series supposed to be anime set to premiere? In January 8 at 12 a.m. Ah, excellent! We're starting the year with a great anime, and I know it's going to be great because it's going to be a very, very faithful adaptation of a smashing video game that got wait, I don't remember how many prizes Nier Automata got in the Video Games Awards. I remembered it won Best Original Soundtrack, as it should, because the soundtrack for this game was perfect. Now, new Tenchi Muyo GXP anime Paradise Shidohen announced. The Tenchi Muyo franchise is still going? Video game publishing company X-Noa announced a new anime for Tenchi Muyo GXP, subtitled Paradise Shidohen. On Friday, the company also official page, blah 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 blah. The original creator, supervisor and drawing the original character designs, blah 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 blah. Will feature a new story for the main character Seina Yamada, serving as a prologue to the Paradise War arc in the story. The story is also connected to the 4th and 5th season of Tenchi Muyo Ryuoki, released on launched 1982, blah. So let's check this preview. It's Tenchi Muyo. I remember this Tenchi Muyo. This is the Tenchi Muyo I saw ages ago. Or maybe not, I don't remember this part. No, this is maybe the new one. Yes, Tenchi Muyo is an old series, like old. The franchise was launched on 1992, and I watched the first series of Tenchi Muyo in the early 2000s when it was translated in my language. But seriously, this franchise is still going? I mean, hasn't Tenchi get enough girls? Eh, well, more power to him. And that's it for this video. As I said, short video. I mean, the year is ending in this weekend. So this is the Technomage signing off. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.